Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Nissan Rogue Sport. And that is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Okay. And this vehicle does have LED headlight surrounds. If they appear to be flickering, do not do that to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. So it does have alloy wheels. A roomy trunk. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have black fabric seats. There's the VIN right here, and I will upload still photos as well, so I know I go through this fairly quickly. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 9,500 miles on it, basically 9,550 miles. I'm going to turn this up. Stereo sounds good, so I can turn it all the way down. Here's where you would engage sport and eco modes. And all-wheel drive lock. So right here you have your trip computer toggles, stereo toggles, cruise control. There is your key fob right here in the ignition. And there's where you would turn your AC and heater on with the comfort controls. Coming down here you have your USB and auxiliary ports, 12-volt shifter, and cup holders. And then as you come up here, you can see the sources for your stereo or AM, FM, Sirius XM, and then auxiliary and Bluetooth. And you can also go through your USB as well. And then here are your settings. And there's your backup camera with the guides as well. And you see over here that you have sensors built in as well. And once again, that doesn't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. You come up here, you've got your glasses holder, map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this Rogue on the interior. All right, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was vandalized. Obviously the airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage. So we got everything fixed up correctly. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.